Good day, everyone. This is Jessa from Tudlo Innovation Solutions Incorporated. Now, as for today's demo, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to register in our Lava Eds Laundry web application. Now, first off, we're going to click sign up now since we don't have an account yet. So this is what it looks like. We have to put in our personal details for us to create an account. We're going to start with our first name to last name, nickname, and then we have gender, birth date, status, phone number, and occupation. We also have here delivery details. Under it is home type, building name, house or unit number. We have street, we have barangay, we have city, and we also have landmarks. We also have here contact details. Under it is mobile number, messenger, WhatsApp, and Viber. And then right after we have to put in our email address, our password, and reconfirm again. So let's start. Type in my first name, last name, my nickname, gender will be female. We have birthday 06/17/1999. We have your status, single. We have phone number. Also have your occupation. Let's say I'm a teacher. Also have here delivery details, um, building name. No, we don't have to fill in all of that. We have here house, no. We have street, have Mabini Street, Barangay, Poblacion. It's all the information. We have 006, then contact details. We have 0965716027. What's up? 965716027. Your messenger. Viber is 0965716027. Also have your email address and our password. We confirm and then click register and we're done. So we already have here an account in our laundry web application which is called Lava Eds Express Laundry. So this is what it looks like on the actual website. So that's how you register in our Lava Eds web application. So again, this is Justa from Tudla Innovation Solutions Incorporated, and I'm signing out. Have a wonderful day.